Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a baked potato. We can start by drawing a big, lumpy oval shape for the outline of the potato. Then, inside, draw another really lumpy line going from one end to the other. And all the way back for the split in the potato. And inside that, draw some really thin, really lumpy shapes for the crumbly inside of our baked potato. If we draw these layers in, we can give our potato some more depth and detail. A layer behind here, and another across here. In the middle, draw a smoother blob like so for a big dollop of sour cream or some melting butter. With some small swoops here and here to give it some more shape. Then, we can add a few more crumbly lines on the other side in layers again. Next, scattered around the insides on the crumbles and the sour cream, some really small, thin rectangles for some chives. We can also draw in some dots inside for some pepper. And also some on the outside to give our potato some more texture. Next, draw a big oval shape underneath the potato for a large plate. And another curved line along the bottom half like so for the dip in the middle. Lastly, add a bunch more chives and pepper scattered all around the plate like it fell off. And now you've got a baked potato. If you have any ideas for what we should draw next, let us know in the comments. And check out these videos for more.